Hey guys, and welcome back to VK. In this video, I will be showing you guys the best free VPN application for Android smartphones. The VPN becomes very much helpful if you are browsing the internet using public Wi-Fi networks, or if you're going to school or college, or if you're going to some offices. Some of the websites such as Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or even Wikipedia will be banned in some schools or colleges. In those cases, the VPN application becomes very much helpful in order to protect your identity and browse anonymously as well. First thing you have to do in order to install this application is open the Google Play Store as usual. Just open the Google Play Store on your Android smartphone, and in the search box just type Thunder VPN. Thunder VPN is the application. This is absolutely free to install and it is legal to use as well. This is the application. There will be an option called install. Just hit the install from that option and you can check few of the features of the application in the read more section as well. It says it is fast, unlimited, free VPN proxy, and few other features about this VPN application has been mentioned over here. And just wait until the application will be installed on your smartphone. Once the installation process is successfully completed, just hit the home button and open the installed Thunder VPN app. And this is the boot animation of the Thunder VPN application. It says checking network settings and detecting server signal. Once these two things are completed, this is the UI or the user interface of the app. It is very simple and self-explanatory. There are no other options present in the settings. You can easily select which server or which country server you have to select. It's better you keep the auto select option on because the application automatically selects the server for you. Just hit on connect and the VPN will be successfully connected in your Android smartphone. And we'll go to the browser and check whether we have successfully connected to the VPN or not. And make sure you lock the application in the background because sometimes the app might get killed. And now we have locked the app in the background. We'll go to the browser and we'll check our IP address and make sure our IP is in a different location or not. As you can see, I'm typing my IP and we'll open one website and check whether our IP address is masked to a different location or not. This website is opening and yeah, this website has been successfully opened, and as you can see, our location information has been transferred to some Germany server and we have successfully connected to VPN. This is the application, guys, and this is absolutely free of cost, unlimited, and you don't have to pay for some premium subscription unlike other VPN applications. That's it for this quick tutorial about the best free VPN for Android applications, guys. And if you guys have liked this video and liked our new editing style, kindly hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel before leaving this video. We'll be bringing more awesome content on our channel. Also check out the other videos present on our channel. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon in order to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.